welcome back everybody to my San Francisco holiday vlog. I didn't actually record this previously, but I'm still trying to figure out this camera out, but I think I've got it sorted now, so we can do it again. So the hotel I'm staying at, it's the Pickwick Hotel. It's nicely centrally located in San Francisco. I've got access to near enough everything where I need to be. There's stuff over that way I'm going to be doing over that way as well. So it's nicely located, so I can, go and explore, which I'm going to be doing as soon as I've done this this video. So as I was saying, this is the room tour one. So like I just said, the hotel is the Pickwick. I did request a corner room as high as possible so I could get good views of the city, and I got some good views. So let's get on with the tour, and then I'll take it on to the next video. Right, so this is the bathroom. It's your standard bathroom. It's got a toilet, shower and sink. It does come with some amenities, but I brought my own. I don't know what to say really. It's bathroom's a bathroom. Everyone, oh, that's a bit blown out of it. Everyone knows what a bathroom looks like. And then which leads on to the main part of the room. And the bed is massive. It's super comfy. After I'd been traveling all day, I finally gets in there, transferred some files from travel day, and I just fell asleep. About 12 hours sleep I had. Yeah, that was fun. But I feel nice and refreshed now. I got my tech set up. Obviously, so that's self-explanatory really. There's my cameras and all my storage and stuff like that, so once I've been filming for the day I can just put it onto the computer, transfer it to one of the hard drives I've got, and then away we go. It comes with a Keurig coffee machine, so you get complimentary ones. You do get, like, I don't know, some decaf, I won't be touching that. Green tea, I won't be touching that. But the Cafe Velvet ones, I will be having some of that. I mean, they've got 2 bottles of water. You got to pay $4 a pop. I probably won't be having any of them because I've got my own water bottle right there. I've got my caps, the one that I bought myself and the one that a friend bought me. Snacks. Yeah, it's got a safe. So if I want to store some stuff in there, I can do, which is awesome. It's got an old school phone. Yeah, that's what phones used to look like. But the view I've got is pretty amazing. It's like there. Oh, you can, if you can just about make it out, there's a, what do you call it? One of them Waymo driverless cars right there. I do aim to be going on one of them at some point. But yeah, I mean, that's the view out the one side of the building. And if I go to the other curtain, without standing on things, there's the view out the other one. Windows aren't clean that, but what can you expect on the 7th floor? It's all good. Pretty good views. And over that one, window's already open. That's probably why it's so loud. I didn't even know that window was open. Huh, you learn something new every day. So yeah, that's the room. It is what it is really. It'll do. I know this is a pretty short video as well. It's only like, what, 5 minutes long, but how long can you make a room tour video? Oh, there is this as well. That's the AC unit. It's very old school. Very, very old school. So yeah, you can't really do much from a little room tour video. So it is a short one, short and sweet. And I shall be venturing outwards. I want to go to Fisherman's Wharf today, I think. So, catch me in the next video. Peace out.